If you've ever wondered what types of sites could be created on Wix, there's actually a way to explore inspirational Wix websites. And so, whether you're on your account dashboard where you can see all your sites, or even if you're in the dashboard of a site that you were editing, you can go up here and find this Explore dropdown. From there, you can click Inspiring Websites. I'll leave a link to this in the description or the top comment down below. So on this page, you can explore tons of sites created by real Wix users. Now you can sort these sites, see them all, or go site type like portfolio, business, restaurants, and even the style. Is it a black or white or colorful web design? But without even doing any of those filters, we can scroll down here and kind of see all these different sites that have been made. And you can go in and explore these sites just by clicking on it. It'll pop it open in a new window. And you can kind of go through how this site works. And so you can scroll down and see, oh, wow, this is the type of stuff you can actually create here on Wix. You can go to the Home tab here. I can go shop. What does a store look like if I want to see a different store? You could create a store like this. What does a product page look like if I click on that product? And how has it been laid out? And, you can really explore this and kind of see it for yourself. So this is some cool different ways to go back and forth between the different websites and find out all the different ways that you can actually design a Wix website. So Doppelpress is the name of this one. We can scroll down on this site as well. So you can see that these sites are very different from each other. And there's a lot of different ways that you can really design a site here on Wix. You can see that the background there is actually kind of got a scroll feature in between these sections. The footer is looking nice too down here. So there's lots of different things here. And I believe, if we click and go all the way down, we can probably go to the actual website itself. So this pulls up open the website, whereas in the Explore dashboard, it was sort of this windowed version. You can actually click below that window to go to the site if you scroll all the way down. And so then we can get on the site itself. We see we even have a chat dialog here on the right. There's all kinds of things that we can do. There's a menu here. So if I click on that, it pulls open this cool pop-up menu. We can go look at their designs and just kind of go through this site. So if you want to see examples of Wix sites and what you can really create on Wix, that's how to do it. You can go to the Explore tab and find your way over to these web design inspirational sites here that have been submitted. You can even submit a site if you have one to submit. So I'll leave a link to this page down below. I'm not sure if you have to be logged into Wix or not. I'll figure that out before I put the link down there. But if you do, you just will log in and you can find your way to this page here. And these are some different ways that you can utilize Wix to create your websites.